Yaba mo nyina kwa babiem emfamra Badwam dwumadi so na Adom TV. Yaba na sekese enkoma agodie mu akonfo som de agodie mu nsem ebre no achi Diamond maame kira enso etenase e de afisem ebre ne ya wadanti ye fashion 101 Priscilla Eresi Anaman ewua edini dos papa na da wara kofa ye fashion 101 e de ebre ba edu ye ba bedi enkomo de afagana kanko ene ne mpontuo ehun se medical akacho dada no efiti enano juada ebesi ene ko ni adechie so de NPP amyoko ehun komo ena yedi no esa ede eko wona pre de brawodo ewo NPP amyoko nim omne no edi enkomo ne yaka osia yakopon ya ademu a eda memene da no eyade a Adom brands yaka Adom brands a Adom TV Adom FM Asempa FM Sanso na Inshira 104.5 FM ewo Kumase omai asante mantem adomonline.com any other social media platforms na ne akabo mu a eda memne da yede NPP National Delegate Conference media kese no ebro live on Adom TV na stations ni nyina so apik na se ne ye no eda fiada eyade a Adom FM dwaso nsem ebebo ademo Accra Sports Stadium honom di dwaso nsem dwumade no ebefre ede abro na wia no mienu na Philip Osebonsu aka Eda Obi ena pamfo so ede ekosi sadwumade nso afri Accra Sports Stadium enso abro memne da anopa no so se ko na Adom TV asom mi etwagum saa na afi Adom FM afa Asempa FM afa Inshira FM Kumase enso afa other affiliate radio stations ni nyina organa ni wiase afa na nyina no obi anso etimi afa social media platforms ni nyina so koso so a obehu ni nyina enso tikan sem your election headquarters Adom brands enyade a NPP omo congress kese bekoso ewo enkran Accra Sports Stadium no bibi bia beto form say ye kita wodie bia o se waso etena hunu ne ekobia no ye de ebema ho amwatiti ka say hanom na NPP abato no beto na wusunso anso nyina obenya no ede fi esanse hanom de to form pe ye bedi kai aka ede achiromedi de akwasi ensia no pe ye ne pedipa ba ko na etena se edi enkobatie we ne mraisi ye Yes, as mama kwa baby, mamemfa belated happy birthday and confirm the CEO of Engine Filling Station here at Kaswa Weja Junction. Openi Babona, happy birthday and commander Tuesday na yewa wuda. Yami wo nshira no onye okese. Ontretin wakwem na onema nyina enwie pay we every prophet Nicholas Osei aka Kum Chacha. Wasi papa oda sepa nene Uguso eye de Emmanuel. Sanso na happy birthday so and confirm Juliet and Judith a free year. Ya must walk Kaswa barrier. Eti Juliet and Judith a free year must walk Kaswa barrier so ya shemo happy birthday we free. Eye Elita Dixon eho eno de ema wasi nyakopo enshira monso baby bia mu wo bia na nyame no onye mo kese kopim se moye kese pa. The last one happy birthday to Andy ya wo Germany. Free Ama Dompe ho. Ama Dompe. And yes, what Bremen, what Germany. Ama Dompe. Esi always show happy birthday. Muso amudi birthday nyina so yakopon enkam no nhyiramo. No nyam kese kopem se mobeye kese pa. Join live on Facebook Adom TV, YouTube Adom TV. Na enenkubo kese bekoso also efa wani edi chief. There are questions was emerging brepem no makenkan nyina enso edi amayefa na sekese enkoma Hepa Plus mixture. There be amakacho say oka edu papa ebeboa ama ni padua agina so. Yade bia no edi esane efru ni padua so pepe ona so ase wako a yade na se entimi entu no. Pe Hepa Plus mixture ebetu ase edi ama pa. Enkanka entry di yade. Patronia duru ba bia ton edu pe osime pe Hepa Plus mixture esanse no ena kwasinsia se eye papa pa ewodwa so. O member bi eton do bi akwa wonsa ebeka bi ato sanso ena Franco Trading Enterprise eno so eye bia do ni ekire ometimi aboa amoanya se eye phone se eye laptop se eye iPad se eye fridge se eye deep freezer bibi bia ope bi ye dem ye akase ho eye odo ni eche Franco Trading Enterprise onsa ebekebe my Ghana baby bia obekobia no o atenaye ho no hwemo enkran kokomlemle na obutuo twebom na enema bia pese oto ene from chen bia no to na boa ewo fom eso ekra sanso na Kel Charcoal toothpaste Kel Charcoal toothpaste ene so eye apose edu papa ene abadwasom ohwe se na mafo de airport so si eye fita no nya enkapapa na ese enu a ena obia ajetumu anisa Kel Charcoal toothpaste Kel Charcoal toothpaste bezi ya pebe to wate pebe fatwi wankasa aba no so esen ema no na timi aboa amasabi akwa ne sen anye kontomre ibibia wo sen ase efefre ni na Kel Charcoal toothpaste adaroma enti saso na City Blood Tonic enso enie mojedu papa na obia agye atumu na ebua ma obia atimi aboma se bew eno no City Blood Tonic City Blood Tonic eye mojedro pa kama ya unya bi atim se wanu mojedro anu mojedro pa enweno ya ahyemuma no enya ne ketwa nanim ade a ede na efe akono ewo City Blood Tonic nkura eye se ema onye kese bebere nebom ema otimi edidi ehye obodi no ema abodi no etoso pa eto bi a onom City Blood Tonic bia me dia na ase aka cho se o ka mojedro a eje amanfo pa eno ene sa mojedro no Oma baby a ton aduro biara kwa wonsa ebeka bi ato sa ibekọ na aso yasene ema ye de Mpensenpensenmu dwumadie ebro live on Badwam on Adom TV and so ebro ne pen no esi konya akasa obi a efri 2014 year NPP amyoko ekọ abato so wo Tamale Sports Stadium ekọ pao ora Paul Afoko epao kwabena Japan epao Samikrab ene mpanifo awdo a eka ho bibi esi kwantin finti party ne mpanifo hwe adwumadi ana odi se national organizer so ebo na body se ne sade ahwe akire se general secretary ne saye national organizer de bena FM ko pimse meko 2016 abato no mpanifo de adwumadi no ehye ne nsa ampa otimi de wose eye woyo in 2016 ma NPP Ghana abakosem the Fourth Republic na amyoko bia nkwa abato so wontimi enya vote margin getting to best 1 million under his leadership as administrator, as general secretary, and then even as acting general secretary of the Elephant Party. 2018 NPP eko Koforidua Technical University eho enomde omo abato eko hyeso. Sa time no o move from national organizer position or prayer onyaye e Tamale no eba general secretary afei no afri acting mu omokoto aba no onya majority vote ema party for catcher and say osefata so betimi aye general secretary edi ama sa time Koforidua nipa 2 ena ejina one Richard Anyaba ena ejina pani ebra bi atwo na oye executive director at Madankwa Institute. And besne atwemu. Then 2020 NPP amanyoko esa eko abatwo esu ebiem. But unfortunately this time sa huge margin omde winning 2016 no party no enya no sa. Esu betiye emekọ wi akire emadodo mpo ana party no ewo mekire seat dodo ana party no ewo parliament no esu be hwai by almost best 69 mekudi NDC amyuko ensa ebi nso call independent ekowi achi no call mrahye bedwafie mu a na seat no akoye 136 NDC MPs 136 NPP MPs then 1 independent ba kuno wo mu no echemu asebio abusua ne eternity enka enjes babifo emefam kodinti odin dibre no esa akobọ NPP amyoko edem na ma NPP amyoko every course ro ekonya 137 forming the majority in parliament and was saying it biem se wo se ba se obepre general secretary dibre ewo NPP amyoko ni nipa bebre ewo questions ede emma eye penina osa eyini tibiem se obepre se dibre no ka se seat no eye 137 as against 136 nipa bebre ewo ensemisabi epesom ni bisa no dear magic no ye abra no ye acting general secretary Emma party nya sa huge victory in 2016 elections dear na fe esi ya in 2020 abato ko hye so nya di brena kasa si na so no sa huge margin esu hwan ya apokwa ma be affect o number of seats o nya ye o ma che fiem Nidin Eric John Boadu. Shewe meba ena babedi enkomano pe.
Higher election headquarters, Kokomoti Power.
Adom 106.3 FM. Asempa 94.7 Inshira 104.5 FM Adom TV and adomonline.com ya kikas ye newie
Kukudu esi rado Yeah, counted down to the National Delegates Conference of the ruling New Patriotic Party. Omwe twaba eyi empenifua moving into the 2024 general election.
We had a live coverage.
Why am I leading on my breaking 8 at the national chairman level? And I said the general secretary, the national youth organizer, the national organizer. Women's organizer, why never? Esia in a phone no betre. What the kokromoti betre? Kokromoti power. CIA, Adom 106.3 FM. Asempa 94.7 Inshira 104.5 FM Adom TV and adomonline.com.
Media no air basso a free July boss many de toso edunum yakowie July boss many de toso edunson
Accra Sports Stadium.
Coverage ye sha se be 5:45 yen kan abatu no enwie ya enya dia ye pon.
Live on your radio, on your TV
and your social media handles yinano Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, yedin chemu nyina ebrel.
Shami, Chief Jerry Fawcett.
Abina Pokoa, ahwennie.
Kwasi Asempa.
Akua buachiwe yiadom.
Beneath your Saibo nso, your election headquarters, Kokomoti Power.
Enkomodie no Ashasiye Ora John Boadu Atnas, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. First acting General Secretary of the NPP Kwabatos Momukonya overwhelming majority. And also printing BM say party for no Santanechi. Na ontimi Santuane Jumedie so emfa emwa party no. My father, happy birthday once again going out to you, Priscilla Koba, former student of Mpensenpensenmu High School, Asante Mampong. Nyamusha na onyoke sipa. General, mwache.
Mejoso na I want to say.
Boko na answe.
Ede ya miase.
Sisi di nkakra. Akra wu nyini ko pa o.
No krese. Abrabo no. Boko ye nim.
The John Boadu yesterday.
Say Mache wadi ni unsuntino.
Sure.
Obi oko ni say bia me di verse 60.
Yeah.
Obi on so me bo me age ana no mama. Nyame adom afi menya 53.
Wow. Wow.
Nyame adom.
Adwuma mu stress ana.
Adwuma ne de te no say. We general secretary, you are in charge of the entire operations of the party.
Sure.
In addition to managing the office and also sales and a spokesperson for the party, no. Osan wa abem so na o say ultimately link up with government, then the government here and government bibia. Na eno na be boa ma party for ehun e de ekosonti juma say sebi uba without experience, uba without knowledge, uba without understanding. Na ye be your dem papa. But as nyame adom no 50 we school from 97 98 ye didn't pay for nas over the years.
Okay.
Ye hu baby omo ye ko ye, ye hu baby omo ye anko ye, yanka sanso nyame adom ye take positions over the years no. And also niema ye so ya ye de aboa. Nti wo hwe party na fiti Nasara, women's wing, youth wing, organizer, general secretary, chairmanship. In terms of the entire party arrangement, you know, your experiences are over the years, you know, and informed decisions are here taking going forward. And
Alan, why a national treasure pen?
Yeah, national youth treasurer.
Oh, okay, okay, youth treasurer.
Yeah, in 2002. Yeah.
Okay, okay. With all this experience, what is it from where from to say?
Nyame Adom say Ampofo Adjei because we are general secretary we dwuma and particularly when operations come no some bebre wa onka nti Ampofo taking it for granted say oh general secretary because nyama bebre onka dey oh ye no Ampofo hu ne nyama no nti na initially na say emu eden kakra but me tisi from any party for share any omudi nkomo Niema omuhu yeah omuhu dada.
Okay.
Yeah, chira almost say nete because omo contest elections bebre o party office kwa minji this omo bada. Bebre o they've never been part of the process. Nti omo kan ya to say party egukra. But this is one of the most active party you can see. Not in Ghana. Ghana they say any equal Ghana. So there is any party here active to say New Patriotic Party. Yeah, na your party, your to bar. There's no party anywhere. What's our facility here? Your to bar, young kasi to make a Badwam, and it calls for investment. It calls for training. Yeah. 2016, near opposition. Our party was the most resource party as compared to even the party in government because we did a lot of thinking. We brought a lot of measures. Did contribution to the party, to the polling station, Ufa party from January to July. Which me actually other parties the Ghana. This will be a demonstration on the work of frame. And also the easy crowd to do it. They starting from
once our opposition.
Is
it because they wouldn't maybe a okay.
Reorganization of the party immediately after the elections involves a lot. Involves review of the previous election, which we've done. The committee, national leadership for the first time. You call each and every region to have interaction with our party people, to know from them on first hand. That has been done.
That's after 2020 elections.
After 2020 elections,
okay.
Constituency for conferences. It wasn't an election year. Conferences from constituency, region, and national. All these conferences was funded by the party at the headquarters. Funding call National Annual Delegates Conference. No more approval program of election from polling station to national. And on 50 February, 38,622 polling stations. Yankofa electoral commission, yankofa biya or babia. Yankase capacity are developing in the party. And now yes, our elections. Initially, we say pintin kakra by yes, because simultaneously we elections in 38,000 polling stations with deeper over 1 million. You obviously have some of these little challenges.
Okay.
Nyame Adom we solve electoral area coordinators, constituency elections, regional elections, we do national. One facility a be part be anyone who say be after elections you upload the results of the elections in our database.
Okay.
Until any time you be parliamentary and our presidential so you change Adom no on to it's a thing of the past in the party. Because yes, our parliament and as a president Badwam near Adom near there. Where you juma mene menkwara
Sanche way by Ansana constituency regional elections.
Immediately after polling station elections, near training your IT phone in your upload.
So then the challenge of Ashanti region, for instance, because regional elections, say Tescon, Adom, a BMC and T and one say Eco VHD, a BMC Council of Elders Crano, one encounter cried or more ababeshim. say nasa system or one more where from that challenge
unim baby a challenge kakra bae where human elements wom.
Okay.
In terms of discretion as to who represent them. Until far at the regional level, you see council of elders nipa do any they count. If a council of elders or region 100, who could ye do a film? First of all, why ne be side do no? And on a day challenge kakra e buy. If a council of patrons somewhere 50.
Yeah.
You see a nipa do. Why ne ye side nipa do no? O man kasa de yi and our regional party no na eyi.
So what does the party constitution
the party constitution say they should be represented by 10 people. In kind pape moi, in kind interaction and discussion. For instance, at the national level, okay. Council of Elders are a 15. So we only have to consult the Council of Elders or more chairman or now on the list no. Okay. Council of Patrons. Patrons the almost contributing resources for the running of the party. Jomo over the period, you know, your contribution the running party, no. Yeah. So and you know at the discretion with the test con, you know. Yeah, constitution. We were deliberate about it because Oshe national test con presidents, no na ebetwaba and also new one rep and the twaba. Mpensenpensenmu test con president na betwaba or national no asato e region. Inti mpebe no be do region na either any other member na secretary na organizer na bibi
one appoint is Ampofo
no who's the test con ye ejuma through the leadership of the youth wing.
Yeah,
youth wing also on den on also share party no
national party
inti say at the regional level nka youth organizer no collate sa list na also the ba Ebema regional executive committee normal approval. So let me tell you. This is the youth organizer the list neighbor. I was say approve because one year lucky here. For instance, there was an issue in Upper West where youth organizer and status institution say best 27. We as here you come we na 13.
Okay.
Because there are some of the institutions ABI University of Ghana and the affiliates be war your friend is saying Upper West.
Okay.
Nipa be say be 50 per bi na ho. You inaugurating as Tescom. One check no one you careful. You the din be account. So these are the areas the human elements in terms of decision making there are no problems apart from that.
So way forward e kwame na mo fa so mo deal with that challenge. Sene be ya enkoso be ye e can be enfama party no.
No, what we will do going forward is to not to allow the youth organizer alone to determine which institution is recognized.
That's the regional youth organizer.
The regional and the national youth organizer.
Okay.
Now, periodically, we will update the TESCON list.
Okay.
In the periodically, update the TESCON list. Ebe do her neighbor to aba. Untume nkofa bibi foforo.
Information.
Enti ano ne ya dia.
Saturday na.
Bema ye ni akọ
Abato ne koso. Obi a wo say gina bi. I hope say won sa kan album.
The tennis, you see, here no, and they are not meeting uncle for ye did the seven internal elections near.
Okay.
Into who problem with the album, your elections committee or and largely 6,770 plus delegates. No? About 5,000, almost 6,000 are determined already.
Oh, okay.
Well, they are made up of constituency executive committee. That's the constituency officers plus their deputies, regional officers plus their deputy, national officers plus their deputies, national council members. They do 100 grand.
Okay.
Yes, external branches 27. The 12 Beba, and no is determined.
Okay.
Council of Elders, Council of Patrons are making one semi. They were founding members. Someone former party in the year 1992. Share the former party.
Okay.
Now ye best almost 200. This year I best 50 as and no. Now baby a gray area kakra and a test con list. So never we no who assemble you only go to the elections committee.
Penny okay.
Do a party business. We a party ni. Now person we leader of the party. Na ye kotuaba internally. Now, issue be now first point of call. Your friend is saying, media. Now, catch media for say, yeah, party internal elections. You want about national elections are who can be one a bit. An election committee, they are made up of seasoned politicians. McMenu na chair sa committee. McMenu has been regional chairman before, national chairman before, campaign manager for 2 times. They win elections saying almost all committees are here in the so you be a nipa on your objective.
I say John Boadu as a candidate there. We are okay with the album.
John Boadu as a candidate, man, you're okay with the album. Election committee or
it will raise you concerns the election.
Yeah, I'm a rep or
a bit more raise question about the proxy list.
No, some may mean to me answer. I'm a member of the elections committee, so I can't answer. Who is me wrong? Because you're the elections committee or maybe a candidate. It will be argument on proxy.
But because a rep no one but raise that concern the amount.
I don't know. Yeah, Hannah may discuss. Election committee. It will be a raise here. Elections committee will be solved. May I have because election committee yeah inaugurate here.
Okay.
May farm forms. May call me vetting. Me see me enra na me we central region.
Oh okay.
And me be do an pay by 3-4 a.m. Now say me daka kra na me to me ba. Do baby say me obi a say bi onye bi da who proselyte out there about media why I forward that mawa. Because me to me answer.
Oh, the name say who say who your candidate also a stakeholder or election na ekos no.
Me person me tie kra. Me what problem I mean baby I dey call.
That's your body.
Because me as general secretary betena ha.
Yeah.
Na me ma kwan na be discuss sa dey we ha. Assume in pose the eken no kra.
Okay.
Say me na me bo party ni near ma bone the row abonten. Abra ye wo organ ho a obetumi discuss organ no. Nti the honors for this are the way ma ho a odwen say wenya bibi ye no. The immaturity and na epie mo bia ho no. Because person
too harsh.
No.
To be or what that concern are all raising.
Concern body wo ha yes our discussion no. Even as we speak now, as late as yesterday, now Mr. Peter McMenu,
okay,
and then call for the sky about TESCON list, no regional youth organizers about regional chairman for. That's how it is done. Imagine somewhere our discussion. The next moment, now you the Adom TV. Now party now and I say wow opposition are open and now over contest elections. But somebody be anyhow for redress. I have no difficulty at all. But there's somebody intimacy is a problem with any of these issues.
Okay.
How quickly either write or even go to them.
So concerned.
So concerned.
Address.
Yeah, address it. And I can assure you, you started process aspirants no. There best 2 or 3 meetings. I'll be a consensus or war. Redress it. So until and sometimes, well, but it's a defeatist kind of attitude to take.
The okay, as I'm for time on soon because I'm mature enough for that seat for general secretary.
Because, for instance, I mean, who social media, you see, John Boadu want to rig the election into John Boadu be one winner. So, since I call you and say, Ubi no Adriana Cran and inquire, John Boadu. Meanwhile, so what nim there now? Yeah, elections committee a John Boadu nka ho. It was a problem. I want now call.
Which is a month for be time on soon.
There be mo kan constitution no cry.
Okay.
E bi mo names bi a near efa. The omo who on Facebook no almost so e ka ho asem. So, the sack for no e bi dane candidate. Na penye position bi a general secretary. And our attitude near me gidi say na che say boa huye. So what boy who ye pa you will be a day bibia.
What is it for more? What kind of general secretary and NPP for here to break the 80?
Well, from the committee, and that is why meaning there be majority of delegates ever to are re-elected me as general secretary. Because some GD say, baby, from 2015, I may act as general secretary. Considering to be a party, no na emunia mate na dede wa ha ntokwa wa ha party akosia those times ka steering committee ye koye hotel fofobi yentumi nya wa ha ye kwa ase ye kowo police amoka esi ye party or headquarters
okay
because na we ni we ko we nti we ase fiti time anyame adom ye de ehye me nsa 7 nya no minji ni samate sa 7 ni kura bio minji ni samate se ye party headquarters in Tokwa Debi.
And when you say what that, a bit more accused you say you were part of the orchestrators of sadness here. And he said, oh, now she shared and what bad they are likely Ampofo-Adjei and you don't maybe.
Some of way they are daydreamers.
Okay.
Because I was then the national organizer. Most of the things, I main problem, I'm solving problems.
Oh, okay.
Most of the issues that came up.
Most of the
issues that came up. If you have a they solve a problem. The me my age in this party over the years. And yes, I mean, I'm support the party. Right from school days, I did one position or the other. No. Me, I'm a go for say, you vandalize the party office. No. It was because of certain maybe an angel, certain decisions via use the constitution, you know, and find it. For instance, one major way it created some of the challenges, no, was the appointment of directors of the party.
Okay.
Directors of the party are appointed by the National Executive Committee of the party. And your steering committee, and your general secretary, and your national chairman. The process of appointment comes with consultation. And so your steering committee. Near the recommendation, I call national executive. National executive. At some point, director of communication, the director of finance, were sacked without going through that process. I know John Boadu now, appointing for some appointment of communicators were even done without the notice of the national organizer. So, since I have elections, I'm saying, I'll concern myself.
Because you also kind of success story how Ubuama asumdwe adwuma eti party for so munya hunu sa history ya ebo mo appreciate ne course so
but sometimes when you care for a bad distraction.
Okay.
So never change. They are making very few. Say edu baby instead say national executive committee and about appointed directors of the party. No. Some other people are almost right in the ASRD. No. And no cause so confusion, unnecessary quarrels, unnecessary way. Edu baby cry no. Decisions there was a steering committee taking and a national executive committee. Where individuals they take it. And no they say me buy there's no decision now. But take it on my own. Decision be a bit take it via either steering committee or in consultation with national chairman or national executive committee. Getting people to also be part of decision-making process largely has contributed to the success that you've seen.
Okay.
And yes, sir. Post no, who say post na say so. But me buy me reduce post no to a level biara. Me pon avon go wage na. Ordinary party people. Minimum.
And you ever when be kwa say John Boadu nye accessible John Boadu ntina office wa koto no akasa private office and now all pretty party no from there. But a bit more assessment of the ma wadwuma wo ye say ye pese assess wo ye pa yemfa the outcome of 2020 elections on the basis say on the kosi say kwabena je Japan any OBD kuma semba ko kan say the success of NPP in 2016 no or see this about body and Emma or no
because
as general secretary because or see on the shema ye most of elections na Emma mo lead into the general elections basabasa ye kitikiti Matthew Macau menti party no call the general elections no munya that huge margin.
No, sometimes some of these seminar self gratification.
Sana huno.
I was then the national organizer. Ntime namada. I was the national organizer of the party. All other officers, you know, anya she nipa ba ko na ye bibi. Ope baby hope so attribute success.
Okay.
Album na ye de to parliamentary elections in 2015 no. Sir John we inherited elected polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executive, regional officers in place. Parliamentary, there be on a album near the year and no basis of Tokwani differences in the man. Sir John ye betoy.
It's nyam na mo ye.
Debbie. Uncle for me refi. And say rules and regulations are the two abano. Album no. I say we speak here.
Okay.
Two about we July 15th.
Yeah.
Now say parliamentary album me and me executives no. And no near the two about said ya me today bibia perfect.
Okay.
Ya digitize no. And no answer we general secretary o press my IT press bottom na album ne pie near the akoto aba. Inti assume me say me ni ho na general secretary bi ba o say me na mabeye parliamentary way inti yemfa boss dem moment. Party from 2015. Omu nim si a formal campaign committee. Omu nim kwai fa so ya resources dey adwuma. Omu nim what went in the manifesto. Omu say ya attribute way to them no. Omu nim si for ya manifesto. Omu nim si bia ya training what will be done in this party say ya to aba na you to me a training ya who said that ya ankase ya collect a resource.
Na munye bida.
Yenye bida. Yeah, 2016.
It's not from 2000 na mo win mo first election no.
2012 no. Yeah, and say yeah phones Adom polling agents for phones no government when you suit near to abani.
No money.
About very late.
Oh, okay.
In terms of organization of the party, looking for logistics, looking for resources, putting together the campaign committee, even the campaign message itself. Yeah, retail campaign. Now, former general secretary, not on our way. Not our way. Yet, committee, a zone campaign committee, In your committee, are responsible for the northern sector. Committee are responsible for the southern sector. In your committee, are no cry responsible for settler community. And on a day, Stephen in team account. Yet TBB you can V16 for the first time. And conform your party for your executive, but a party for more BB contributed to the party. Okay. Voluntary groups, you crystallize a year former in the party. And no change and no way then. Yeah, got to have been and call for the party. You were 104 as a 105. Na ya som e de akọ 169. Ye se yemfa eso abaso body no enkoma abra na ye ko ntokwa wo party no. Abra ye beto police station album ayaye dada. Ye beto electoral area album ayaye dada. Ne we unti de be kan so unti da.
Ne be ka ko de me say ye ma omu anom wo no wo no mu a na can likely say NPP Krabe lose 2016.
Mid to me and canasa, but that the air call de bia maintain me one say meeting cry to me yet de bia as a air call war on it. Nanka Ghana for, and that was the campaign message of the NDC at that time. Samusha NPP, Oman Casapomu to me running omo. Can talk de bia say you understand such a thing no. There's no way to be adding a contribution by such a party. The beyond Tokwa.
Yeah, came my party in Cravini.
Yeah, they were to say, San, the court 2016.
Come with me, we need 2016.
Mrs. San, the court 2016. With
the same character.
They've been great to be. Yeah, I mean, can we venture?
Okay.
Who say a retail campaign? In German workers, a retail campaign on which I am. A retail campaign. Retail campaign, no. Yeah, and say, young touch each and every voter instead of the mass rally. No.
Okay.
Until say you launch your manifesto, trade fair.
Okay.
You launch the benefit of the retail campaign, no, edin kofobe trade fair a whole year, man. You see, after that, no, the kind of resources are and a chunk of it is as a result of Saturday, go for who say there's a possibility of winning the elections.
Oh, okay.
All these things were planned. All these things were orchestrated.
Out of the woods.
All these things were done by the campaign committee you put in place in 2016. 2015 now campaign committee when they put it in place.
After Ampofo-Adjei.
Okay. In 2012, now and baby no parliamentary candidates the chair campaigns not
constituency election campaign.
Yeah. In 2016, yes, same. Yeah, campaign managers no co-chairmanship of the constituency chairman and the parliamentary candidate as the chairs of the campaign committee. And no why no no 2015 as over here. Yes, and I mean as a personality way. Go make no. Me so enya me nkwana me ye adwuma no.
Okay.
Although say me combine the most difficult parts of the campaign, directing the campaign, director of operation. What it means is that anytime I be taking decision, we are on our share to its implementation to the latter.
Okay.
Until what there why I say whip no and I say adwuma no. But you won't go for be almost why the national chairman and sometimes his attitude and demeanor alone bring vote to the party.
It also encourages
the
you.
Youth organizer, then Samuel Uku, our women's organizer, Otiko Jaba, our Nasara coordinator, Kamara Dean. This uncle for you and Yashi, Nipa Bakwa, although sometimes my
after Ampofo-Adjei, after Ampofo-Adjei, yeah, your mouth to me nankasari shows. At this time, then you're acting. What me reach out to predecessors?
Predecessors, anyhow.
Or more bedi adi ansana woba.
Daily thing I hear. We need to say we need to come all the time. Sometimes crowd because if coverage Japan or not, said I am madam for. Okay, but we talk. You understand? The process of even reinstating him, the contribution, some of them, no, we can't say it here. What did they make? We can't say it here. Okay. Now, Dambochi, we are in constant touch. Okay. When I be Mark Menu, he's always part of one committee or the other. Okay. Davia Mo, treasurer, previously. I remember we called it almost all the time. And I'm one person now. Me just say ABA because Nanado, I candidate Aceh. I and Jumantino. Ubia Phyllis ABA me and Nanado Nipa. Okay. Which is good. So we need But in terms of party, no Bema, I'm an open person. Okay. Ubia, but who can 2018? You're too Obama in 2018. The first time in the history of our party, you support to constituency on a monthly basis.
Every month.
Every month.
275 constituencies.
275 constituencies.
Maybe I'm not amount of the support of Boadu, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. And then was actually TBM say party for and Satuaba and for Emano. So they over 6,000 delegates, more than half Eshano Peno. My crowd summer Sadi, including the Abutin about John Boadu. Showy, if I say. John Boadu is very experienced, down to earth, very hardworking, and really understands the political terrain of Ghana. He has risen through the ranks and made it possible to scout the youth who are contributing meaningfully to make our party very vibrant. His quest to use IT and other strategies to empower the party at the polling stations have been phenomenal. Under his leadership, he brought resource persons across the globe to train party architects to ensure fast and modern ways to churn out data for benefit of our party. His respect for the young and old in the party is a character nobody can beat him to it. He is an asset to the party. Daniel Kwaku Dente, Deputy Director General, NADMO.
He's a Deputy Director General. He used to be my deputy organizer of the party. You see, you won't go be brave or honoma like this. You see, this issue, me want the Frontier Party abeye me ejuma ye nkwa na ye o
party for say 2020 some of nsem a wo kan ye ene ma party no
te sense
ekowie baby omkowie
te sense
for example baby a na wo ye wo abekọ independent ko uweni a memetena ye nchen ye hia wo ye ho they believe says these are some of the things that na a share party for be able
yeah party
yeah
party akọ national executive national council take a decision so asumesi and your candidate for the party
yeah
now wo say me dem bu ofu nti me call independent as general secretary me fufu toma
when you say
general, wait
okay
baby me cancer bia is me re-emphasize the party no akan
that's the party constitution
that's the party constitution the mere fact say we are party now be decided say we go independent no yeah. You forfeit your membership and you say a true say a pamo
why did you accept Formina independent member of parliament
yeah accepting in the party and
in the parliament but not come on
parliament no so person ni ye adwuma o person ni majority side na ye adwuma sabi nkofo njina on the ticket of PNC CPP omu tumi ba parliamentar omu decide say on person omu either NDC or NPP adwuma
yeah
and no the bonny a woman day but as we speak now he is not a member of the party
Formina MP
he is not if he says that he's a member of the party you know if he parliament because as an independent candidate you know ultimately can't say a member of a political party
it mo part mo recognizing no
me say he's not in your recognition me say he's not a member of the party what did they can say but we decided say for parliamentary work you know okay. He's going to cooperate with us which is the same as obi a PNC ni obi a CPP now towards 2020 no senke yan fa ye na nsi forma inka baby bebre wo ho a independent candidates winning Asen South is a typical example obi a oba parliamentary primaries are vetting committee na unqualified no decided so be independent inka no I was saying ka ye na kasa behind the scenes ye na action at the frontier any so called independent we decided so be independent or what ballot paper na so no ntinka as general secretary and now one person contest general secretary no say national executive take his decision on be call akokro mo abra omu use president din say oh monto mame me so be NPP ni na say me win a me de Ampofo-Adjei ne be ye adwuma nti person onya president vote no ono so enya ni vote ya anya sa nka 137 no nka ye nya
MP bet me break the 8
ye break crazy
with this situation a woman
no sabi one day in politics is a long time
sure
1 year in politics can be very very short nyame adom there were two issues I was here okay. Two issues na say I was say your party internal arrangement you know and I was say smooth which we've done so far
okay
CCR no say to national elections here na ka two major elections
okay
parliamentary and presidential album e dey yes ade ni nyina ya solve enti gidi bia ba the yan rules and regulations are ye dey ebe to ho
okay
rules and regulations some ebe mo aye vetting no ebe objective and fair process no
the current economic situation in the country do you think say Ghana fuenya
the current economic situation obi agitum say globally induced
yeah
apart from globally induced no ye ba ye senka ye ba yi na sa banking sector reforms ye be ye ya eno boy e ka 25 billion ya me reforms na ka sa 25 billion at that time $5 billion nka ye nko IMF energy sector debt ye 17 billion sa contractor ye duan NDC for sensan ya generators anya adwuma kra etu aka no eno 17 billion
okay
ansa COVID combined effect kwa 25 billion Nti ano kwa $67 billion, almost $10 billion of whole ebeto hoye buy. Answer Russian, Ukraine, buy. Nti you cannot say bibia locally induced. Benjamin Adom decision I take. And one thing you must realize, and Ghana for baby,
Ampofo say a shame for NPP going back to the IMF.
Yeah, buy any IMF Bundada.
And I'm going to say
2017. Men can say yanko. 2017-2018. I implemented a social intervention programs in na under IMF.
Yeah.
Na nyame adom ye winning ye ho. It is going to IMF no. Say be no never solve problems in
na mama na yes going to IMF na koye kakai bo bi aye
because of decision or they call IMF.
Okay.
Mama can tell. You call IMF in 2002.
Okay.
Yeah, say epic no.
Yeah.
You reduce your debt to GDP ratio to 26%.
Okay.
You reduce interest rate to 15%. You reduce inflation to around 7%.
Yeah.
One of the most successful period.
Yeah.
Inti nipa na or call IMF no asem no.
Okay. Negotiation
na or dey call.
Okay.
Any conditionalities are ye dey to a obaji atum and ebe mana yeye anase. And I can assure you said the COVID buy we are self and nyina so a ye hu so no. IMF we no Danado Danko Akufo-Adjei ankasa chair task force no.
Okay.
Leading the negotiation.
Come say NPP delegates say Saturday omo to.
Oh, NPP delegates my bam na say ma kire mo de my year over the period. Mo amunim say baby aye ko ehia obi a nya afi na ye beka NPP asem a okokan book answer waba. Obi a attain a given point in time baby beka wo party constitution bia nyame adom betumi akire de ete. Obi a waye bida and sebi Cape Coast South constituency chairperson no bu baby say
okay
aye bi da krama wo ho a ye nkofa nyame be kire krama enko ahayo
into one year to ba
bia na obi a beto ama me
but say
embo be say 5 say nyame adom ne akan wi ha misre me other colleagues ne say party na ye
okay
de be ko bia no ibi enjai dede bebre na mo mbra ne entrance ne enye party no de ti bia no nyame adom said the ne party for akasa said the party for who the year over the period.
Let us say
you better about you know that John Boadu
me John Boadu minister obi elu so da number 1 e wo balope pare so obi John Boadu general secretary de ma NPP amanyoko no say predict BM say party for beto aba e de amano and as I can say Koma production team Dominic Esieboa Maole Priscilla mo amaka nyina cameraman sound light mo nyina da mas nyame nchita mo ye pamedi de akwasi ensia